guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we have so much toys. What should we pick? Let's do.
We have a lot of fine bags.
We got Playmobil, Mega Blocks, this kind of stuff. We got also grocery games. But I'm gonna open the grocery games first. Let's show that to you guys.
Yeah, grocery games with chocolate bar. Yeah.
These are
Crusty.
rotten.
Yes, chocolate bar, Ray.
Let's open it. Here's this back side, one side, the other side. This is the front.
You want to open it now?
Yes, let's open it.
Yeah, you can take it off.
We got the grocery flyer game.
Yeah.
Didn't get anything. Let's see what we got inside this grocery bar.
Yeah, let's take a look at the fire, right?
We got two vine bags. Just keep opening. I think we got something more because I technically see these are squishy grocery games. Let's see what his name is on the flyer. Cameraman.
Yeah, I guess this look like a bottle of ketchup, right? Yeah, it's a ketchup. It's a ketchup. It's sticky salad sauce.
Salad sauce?
Yeah, salad sauce. It's that sticky salad sauce.
Ew, there's hair in the back.
You see, this is sticky salad
Ouch.
sauce.
I like salad sauce, but not sticky salad sauce. But I don't eat salad sauce that much because we got a cookie. We got a cookie. It's a slimy cookie, chocolate cookie. Keep an eye on the cookie. Don't keep an eye on
There's the cookie. That's the cookie.
Ooh, put it in the middle. This is what you cookie.
But this cookie is gross. After you eat it, you will get stomachache. You really want to eat it?
Mm-hmm.
I love the case. I love the chocolate case.
Yeah.
You need to go. You got diarrhea now?
See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye! Bye, guys. Welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're going to open another toy from this.
Well, you got a lot of toys, Ray. You got a whole table of
Toys.
What kind of toys?
Toys, just toys. Random toys.
Yeah. Now you want to pick one?
Yeah. Can we open grocery? Can we open Shopkins?
No, you don't have Shopkins on the table today. We got a lot of Shopkins videos.
I got the dark chocolate crusty bar.
Yeah, let's take a closer at it. Yeah.
Let's open it.
Yeah.
Easter is so much bugs in it. There's ants on the chocolate bar.
Yeah.
Ew! I'm just gonna eat it. Oh, just kidding, I'm not gonna eat it. But I'm gonna open it.
You got 2 pieces.
Yep, I got 2. I got 2 blind bags. One if you can open by hand. I think this is the scissors one. Yeah, both of them are scissors.
And be careful when you're using a scissor.
Because I just cut my finger 2 times.
Not just you. Last week or last couple you cut your finger. Twice.
When I opened the happy place, I cut my finger 2 times. I didn't cry yet. In the first video I did cry, but the 4th video I didn't. And then I told my doctor, and then I just had to put the bandage on. We got mustard bottle. Squirt the mustard. You guys want some? Squirt, 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 squirt. Yeah. Squirting in the mustard.
How about the next one? What's that? What's the next one?
Let's see. It's sweating. It's hot in here. Can you turn on the air conditioner?
Yes, of course. I can turn on the air conditioner.
It's so hot in here. Okay, my cameraman is gonna turn it on. Yeah, did you hear that baby sound? Now with the turn on. What's this? Ew! What is this?
Oh, that looks disgusting,
It's
right?
a chicken. Well, it's the blue chicken.
Yeah, I guess it's a gross chicken. This chicken is gross now.
What is the name?
I can't see. Let me see. I don't see anything on them.
Maybe it's limited edition.
Can be, whatever. But the chicken with the head?
No, there's no.
Where's the head of the chicken?
There's no head.
Can you show up? Show the.
I'm
You want to cut it?
gonna cut it. Just kidding. Okay. So bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Just play it out. Just play it out. Ah! Are we filming?
Yes.
What am I doing?
Daydreaming.
Why am I daydreaming?
I don't know.
Okay, well, okay, so sorry I was daydreaming. Okay, so hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna win. Can I open this? Which one? Grossery game. I don't feel good. Ew! Ew, I'm gonna eat it. Ew, this is disgusting. I think I'm gonna have a tummy ache. I'm gonna open it. Okay, now I open it. We got 2.
Why all the bags is always yellow?
Don't know. Maybe the myToyS bag is yellow.
No
We
duplicate?
got a red chicken.
Yeah, the chicken with the head. Can I see?
It's red though. We got a duplicate, but it's not the same color.
Yeah, they are cousins or brothers or
Hi,
sisters.
cousin. Maybe they're brothers and
Yeah, you have hundreds of cousins.
more than 100.
How about the second one?
Let's see. Check it out what the second one is.
Give you a surprise.
You guess what color it is.
Yellow.
No.
Something red.
Red and what?
White.
Wrong.
Red and what? Show us.
It's yellow and orange and red and green and white
It's a
and
pancake.
black
It's pancake, right?
brown.
It's pancakes.
Yep, there's pancake.
I love pancake, but not this one. This is a putrid pancakes.
Patriot.
Putrid pancake. P-U-T-R-I-D. Putrid pancakes.
Patriot. Put your
You.
finger inside the pancake
You love it.
because there's maple syrup in it.
Yeah, I love maple syrup.
I never tried maple syrup.
Yeah, you can get one from Canada.
Did I try maple syrup?
I guess so. Actually, when last time I went to Canada, we brought back some maple syrup cookie. Don't you remember?
No.
No, doesn't matter.
Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button. And do you want to see a rain grocery bad friend. So we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Hi guys, welcome to Audrey's channel. Today we're gonna open grocery game.
Yeah, we love grocery games. This is what? Crusty chocolate bar, right?
Yeah. Got the flyer. Why is it outside this time? Got too big. Too big.
Okay, let me have a close up on what you are doing.
Are you tired?
No, we are looking. Yeah, you see? We have a close up.
Ew, we got ketchup.
Oh, I love ketchup, but not this cruise one.
It's wiggly.
Hmm.
Let's not fall off. Look, it's wiggly, but it does not fall off.
Okay, how about the next one? What's next?
Let's check it out.
Your hair is too long, right?
Itchy. I think we got. Guess what we got?
Notificates?
Yeah.
No. What's that?
Guess what we got? What color is it?
White. You tell me.
It's very close to yellow,
Orange.
orange, and very close to dark green.
Blue.
No, light green and orange.
What's that?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what it is.
Something edible or not edible?
I don't know. Put on your
Something
pinky
green and orange. Wow, that's barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce.
That's a barbecue sauce. Burnt barbecue sauce.
It's burned.
Yeah.
Ew. It's squeezing out right now.
How many grocery games you got today?
One,
Let's have a
two,
closer one. What you got?
2, 4, 8. No, 2, 4, 6.
You got A. 6.
2, 4, 6.
A. Yeah, we got one more pack
2,
for the next video.
4, 6, 8. Is it like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so bye. We got 8 groceries. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Bye. Hi guys. Welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're going to open more grocery games. Open pack.
Yeah, you unpack it now.
I forgot there was 2 lamps on the camera.
Yeah.
Let's just open 2. 1 cut 2 bags. Let's try. We got something big again. I can see through it. It's like a cookie.
Yes, this one is red in color. The other one is blue in color.
Okay, let's see that. Which one is red? The one I'm opening now? Okay, let's see.
Or orange.
Orange or red. Got it.
Yeah, it's a piece of what?
But there is orange inside, there is red in the bottom. Outside.
This is a piece of something edible or not edible?
It's eatable.
Are you sure? You look like a piece of what?
It's cookie.
It's cookie, are you sure?
Yes.
No, it's a pizza. No, it's not a pizza. It don't look like a pizza. You look like what? I have no idea.
Cookie.
Okay, you say cookie is cookie then.
Can you
Is it this
find
one?
it?
Yes. It's a biscuit.
Yes, it is a cookie.
Yeah.
Cookie and biscuits are the same.
Yeah, the same. Actually, American cut cookie. The British cut of biscuits.
I say cookie, okay? Because I say English, American English.
Yeah, when I was in school, we studied British English.
You don't study American English.
No, and I was in
I study from YouTube, man. Okay, so, cut.
How about the second one?
Where's the second one? Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
What color do you guess?
Blue.
No, very close to blue.
Green.
Yep, it's green and orange.
Yes, another bottle of sauce, some sort of sauce.
It's not sauce, it's poppy soda.
Oh, it's a chili sauce, I guess. Or licky juice.
Licky juice.
Yeah, I guess a licky juice. Yes, it's a licky juice.
Okay.
You want to drink it?
Juice. It's actually pretty good.
And now it's the time to go to the toilet because you will get a diarrhea.
No. This one has no problem with it. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.